Are you tired of dealing with a sluggish internet connection? We've all been there, waiting for web pages to load or videos to buffer. But fear not. In today's video, we're going to reveal the secrets to quick and easy fixes for a slow internet connection. Get ready to supercharge your browsing experience. Fix number 1, restart your modem or router. Sometimes, the simplest solution can work wonders. Unplug the power cord from your modem or router, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This can help reset the connection and improve your internet speed. Fix number 2, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Poor signal strength can greatly impact your internet speed. Make sure your device is within range of your Wi-Fi router. Avoid obstructions like walls or large objects that can interfere with the signal. Consider repositioning your router or using a Wi-Fi extender for better coverage. Fix number 3, declutter your internet setup. Messy cables and devices piled up can disrupt your internet connection. Keep your modem, router, and devices away from other electronics that may cause interference. Organize your cables and keep them untangled to ensure a smoother connection. Fix number 4, limit the number of active devices and browser tabs. Having multiple devices connected simultaneously can strain your internet bandwidth. Close any unnecessary browser tabs, especially those streaming videos or running heavy applications. Disconnect devices that are not in use to free up bandwidth. Fix number 5, scan for malware and viruses. Malicious software can consume your internet resources and slow down your connection. Run a thorough scan with reliable antivirus software to detect and remove any potential threats. Fix number 6, check your phone line connections. If you have a DSL internet connection, ensure that your phone line is properly connected to your modem. Make sure the phone cable is securely plugged into both the modem and the phone jack. Damaged or loose cables can cause disruptions in your internet service. Fix number 7, optimize your DNS settings. By default, your internet service provider assigns DNS servers, but using alternative DNS servers like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS can sometimes improve your internet speed. To change DNS settings on Windows, go to Control Panel Network and Internet Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings, right-click on your network connection, select Properties, then double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Here, you can manually input the preferred and alternate DNS server addresses. Fix number 8, switch to a wired connection. If possible, connect your device directly to the modem or router using an Ethernet cable. Wired connections generally provide faster and more stable internet speeds compared to Wi-Fi. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port on your device and the other end into an available Ethernet port on your modem or router. Fix number 9, manage app and system updates. Updates for apps and operating systems often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can enhance your internet experience. Keep your devices up to date by regularly checking for updates and installing them. On most devices, you can go to the settings menu and look for software updates or system updates. Fix number 10, adjust your router settings. Explore your router's administration panel and optimize settings for better performance. Look for features like quality of service, QoS, that prioritize certain types of traffic or enable channel bonding to increase throughput. To access your router's settings, open a web browser and enter the default gateway IP address in the address bar. This IP address is usually printed on the back or bottom of your router. Once logged in, navigate through the settings to find options like QoS or channel bonding and configure them according to your preferences. And there you have it, 10 quick and easy fixes to turbocharge your internet connection. Remember to restart your modem, optimize your Wi-Fi, declutter your setup, and manage your devices wisely. Check for malware, ensure proper phone line connections, and explore advanced settings when needed. By following these secrets, you'll be enjoying a lightning-fast internet in no time. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.